I'm feeling high.
Hey guys, my name is Hadia and today I want to show you how to make cream roll. It's one of the best things, I would say. It's like a sweet cake or like a cookie, but really not. It's like soft and it's just like a piece of heaven, and I love it, love it, love it. Now I'm actually making it because a lovely girl on Facebook suggested that I should do so. So here we go. I make mine with puff pastry because I just find that it actually goes faster, and also I've just simply had better luck doing so, because yeah, it is kind of hard finding that like really lovely puffy dough in a way. It's just been hard for me. So with puff pastry, I just know I get it right every time. Now you don't necessarily have to like fold it out, but otherwise, if you don't, they're gonna become just a bit short, but that's okay if you don't mind. And yes, I'm wrapping them around a thin foil, because normally you would actually do it around like a wooden stick, but I honestly don't know where I would find one of those. So if you're just like me, I would definitely say just go ahead and use thin foil. They work perfectly and you can actually reuse them as well. I do so. And when you put them in the oven, just before, you can choose to brush them with eggs or without. I like mine without, but I've just made one with and without so you guys can see how it looks like. And it's gonna go in the oven for like 10 to 20 minutes, I would say. And while it does so, we're gonna make the cream that goes in the puff pastry. It's sugar, vanilla sugar, as well as whipped cream. And you're gonna, of course, later on put them through the holes, so it will just go way faster and everything will be easier if you put the cream in the fridge. That's a little tip for you. And here are the ones without egg, and these are the ones brushed with egg. As you can see, the colors are just like a bit more colorful in a way. And here we go. You're actually almost done. All that's left to do now is just sprinkle some powdered sugar all over the cream rolls and you're ready to serve it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if there's any Afghan dishes that you want me to make, please do drop me a comment and I'll look into it. See you next Tuesday.